Now question number 7. 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 base 2. This is a binary number, convert into decimal. First of all, multiply 1 multiply with base 2, 0 multiply with base 2, 0 multiply base 2, 1 multiply base 2, 0 multiply base 2, 0 multiply base 2, 1 multiply base 2, 1 multiply base 2. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 power 0 is equal to 1, 2 power 1 is equal to 1, 2, 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4, 16, 2 power 5, 32, 2 power 6, 64. When we add these values, the answer comes 73. 3100 base 5. Now 3 multiply 5, 1 multiply 5, 0 multiply 5 and 0 multiply 5. We always multiply with their base. 0, 1, 2, 3. 5 power 0 is equal to 1, 5 power 1 is equal to 5, 5 power 2, 25, 5 power 3, 125. When we multiply these values, 375, 25, 0 and 0. When we add these values, answer becomes 400. Convert the following into the base system as indicated against each question. 3025 to binary, octal and base 5. 3025 is a decimal number. Now we are going to convert into binary number. Now 3025, 2 ones are 2, 0 comes 10, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 1 carry. When we minus 4 from 5, 1 becomes carry. Now 2 sevens are 14, 1 becomes 11, 2 fives are 10, 2 becomes 12, 2 sixes are 12 and 0 carry. 2 threes are 6, 5 become 15, 2 sevens are 14, 6 become 16, 2 eights are 16, 0 carry. Now 2 ones are 2, 7 becomes 16, 2 eights are 16, 8 becomes 18, 2 nines are 18 and 0 carry. 2 nines are 18, 2 fours are 8. When we minus 8 from 9, 1 carry. 2 fours are 8, 4 becomes 14, 2 sevens are 14, 0 carry. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 1 become carry. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. When we minus 2 from 3, 1 becomes carry. 2 fives are 10, 1 become carry. 2 twos are 4, 1 become carry. 2 ones are 1, 0 become carry. Now we write this number in this way: 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Now this is a binary number. Now octal number 3025, octal number base 8. Therefore we divide with 8. 8 threes are 24. 2 becomes 62. 8 sevens are 56. When we minus 56 from 62, this 5 becomes 65. 2 8 eights are 64. 1 become carry. Now 8 fours are 32. This 8 becomes 58. 8 sevens are 56. When we minus 56 from 58, 2 becomes carry. 2 fives are 8 fives are 40 and 7 become carry. Now 5 7 2 1 is a octal number of base 3025. 3025 to base 5. 6 fives are 30. 0 comes. 5 fives are 25. Carry 0. 5 ones are 5. 0 becomes 10. 2 fives are 10 and 5 ones are 5. 0 becomes carry. 5 twos are 10. When we minus 10 from 12, this one becomes 21. 5 fours are 20. And when we minus 20 from 21, 1 becomes carry. 5 fours are 20. When we minus 20 from 24, 4 becomes carry. Now answer comes 44100. 44100. Now question number 2. 671 base 8 to binary and base 5. First we convert 671 base 8 to decimal number as 671 8 base 8, 6 multiply 8, 7 multiply 8, 1 multiply 8. Now first of all we convert this number, octal number, into decimal, then we convert binary and base 5. When we multiply these value, answer comes 441. 441 is decimal number which is convert from octal number 671. Now we convert this decimal number into binary and base. When we convert into binary, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 0 0, 1 becomes carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 1, 0 becomes as it is, 0 becomes carry. 2 5s are 10, 1 becomes 11, 2 5s are 10, 0 becomes carry. 2 2s are 4, 5 becomes 15, 2 7s are 40, 1 becomes carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 becomes carry. 2 6s are 12, 1 becomes carry. 2 3s are 6, 0 becomes carry. 2 1s are 1 and 1 becomes carry. Now we write this number into binary number. 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. We write these number into binary number. Now we convert this number into base 5. 5 8s are 40. These 4 becomes 44. 5 8s are 40. 1 becomes carry. 5 1s are 5. 8 becomes 38. 5 7s are 35. 3 becomes carry. 5 3s are 15 and 2 becomes carry. Now we write this number into base 5. 3 2 3 1. 3 2 3 1. Now 2006 base 8 to binary and base 5. First of all we convert this number into decimal number. 2 multiply 8, 0 multiply 8, 0 multiply 8, 6 multiply 8. Now write the power 0, 1, 2 and 3. When we multiply these value, answer comes 5, 12, 64 and 6. When we add these values, answer comes 1030. Now we convert this number into binary number. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 0 becomes 10, 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 becomes 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 becomes carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 7 becomes 17, 2 8s are 16, 1 becomes carry. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 0 becomes carry. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 0 becomes carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 0 becomes carry. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now we write this number into binary number. When we convert these number into base 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 comes as it is, 2 6 are 5 6 are 30 and 0 comes carry. 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 and 1 becomes carry. 5 8s are 40, 1 becomes carry. 5 1s are 5, 3 becomes carry. Now base 5 is 13110. 13110 is base 5 of 2006 octal number. Now 867 to binary octal and base 5. This is a decimal number. First of all, we convert in binary number. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 1 becomes carry. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 becomes 13, 2 6 are 12, 1 becomes carry. 2 1s are 2, 0 comes as it is. 2 8s are 16, 0 comes. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 0 comes as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 0 comes as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 becomes as it is. 2 6s are 12, 1 becomes as it is. 2 3s are 6, 0 comes as it is. 2 1s are 2, and 1 becomes carry. Now we write this number into binary number. Now 867 divide by 8 with the octal number. 8 ones are 8, 0, 8 eights are 64, 3 becomes carry. 8 ones are 8, 8 becomes 28, 8 threes are 24. When we minus 24 from 28, 4 becomes carry. 8 ones are 8 and 5 becomes carry. Now these numbers are the base 8. Now base 5. 5 ones are 5, 6 become 36. 5 sevens are 35, 7 becomes 17. 5 threes are 15, 2 becomes carry. 5 threes are 15, 3 becomes 23. 5 fours are 20, 3 becomes carry. 5 6 are 30, 4 becomes carry. 5 ones are 5, 0 comes as it is. Now answer 1 1 4 3 2. 1 1 4 3 2. Now question number 5. 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 base 2 2 octal and base 5. First of all, we convert this binary number into decimal number. 1 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2 and 1 multiply 2. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The value base 0, power 1, power 0, answer becomes 1. Now 0, 0 comes, 2 power 3 is equal to 8, 2 power 4 is equal to 16, 2 power 5 multiply 0 becomes 0, 2 power 6 multiply 0 comes 0, 2 power 7 is equal to 512. Now we add these values 537. Now we convert this in octal number base 8. 8 6 the 48. When we minus 48 from 53, 7 becomes 57. When multiply 8 with 7, answer comes 56. When we minus 56 from 57, 1 becomes carry. 8 8s are 64, 3 becomes carry. 8 1s are 8, 0 carry. 1 0 3 1 is a octal number of base 10 537. Now 537 base 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 2 becomes carry. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 2 becomes carry. 5 4s are 20, 1 becomes carry. 4 1 2 2 comes as it is. Now add the following octal number. 6 base 8 plus 7 base 8. When we add these values 7 plus 6, the answer becomes 13. Answer becomes 13. 13 is in octal number. There are only 8 digits 1 to 7. Therefore 13 becomes, add the number of 8 becomes 1, 9 becomes 2, 10 becomes 3, 11 becomes 4, 12 becomes 4 and 13 becomes 15. Third becomes 15. Now we write 5 at the place of 13 and 1 carry. Now 64 plus 44. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. There is no number in is 8 in octal number. In octal number there are only 8 digits 0 to 7. Now 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, which is 0. 7 comes as it is, 8 becomes 0, 9 becomes 1 and 10 becomes 2. Therefore 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 and 1 carry is equal to 11. Now 8 0, 9 1, 12 2, 11 13. 11 becomes 3. Now we write 3 and 1 becomes carry. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 and 1 carry, it becomes 11. Now 8 0, 9 1, 10 2, 11 3. Therefore, we write at the place of 11 3 and 1 becomes carry. Now we add these octal numbers into octal number. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 at the place is octal number. 8 is 0, 9 is 1, 9 is 1, 10 is 2, 11 is 3 and 12 is 4. Therefore, we write 4 and 1 becomes carry. 3 plus 7 is 10 and 1 11. 8 0, 9 1, 10 2, 11 3. We write 3 and 1 carry. 6 plus 1 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 0 8 0, 9 1, 10 2, 11 3 and 12 14. 12 14 4, 12 4, 4 we write 4 and 1 becomes carry. Now 5 plus 3 8 and 1 9. 8 0, 9 1. Now next 5 plus 4 9 1 10. 8 0, 9 1 and 10 2. We write 2 and 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4. We write 4 as it is. Now multiply 36 multiply 43 base 8. 6 3s are 18. 18 is base 2 and 2 becomes carry. 3 3s are 9. When we add 2 in 9, it becomes 11. 11 at the place of 3 and carry 1. Therefore, 1 3 2. Now 6 4s are 24. 24 is 0 and 3 becomes carry. Now 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. When we add 4, answer becomes 3 4s are 12. Answer becomes 16. When we multiply 0 and 2 carry, it becomes 17. Now we add these values to 3. 8 becomes 0 and 1 becomes 2 because 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 is 0 in octal number and 1 becomes 2. When we add these two numbers, it becomes 2. Now 4 46 multiply 2 30. 6 3s are 18. 2 and 2 becomes carry. 4 3s are 12. 14. 14 at the place of 6, 1 becomes carry. 4 3s are 12 is equal to 13 and at the place of 5 1. Now 6 1s are 6. 0 comes as it is. 6 1s are 6. Now 6 1s are 6. 4 1s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. Now 6 2s are 12. 2 0. 12 at the place of 4. We add 4. 1 becomes carry. 4 2s are 8 is equal to 9. 9 at the place of 1. 1 becomes carry. 4 2s are 8 is equal to 9. 9 at the place of 1 and 1 carry. When we add 2, 6 plus 6 12. 12 at the place of 4. 4 will and carry 1. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 place of 6. We write 6 and 1 becomes carry. 1 plus 1 2. 4 6 and 1 7. 7 comes as it is and 1 becomes.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.